Good morning. Let us discuss one of the important short note of 5 marks, that is classification of amino acid. We discussed long before, I think December 2020. Let us refresh it. That is the classification of amino acid, which comes under biomolecules. You know what are biomolecules? Okay, they are important in building up carbohydrates, proteins, amino acids, all lipids comes under biomolecules. So classification of amino acid, you know that amino acids are building blocks of proteins. So this is one of the important 5 marks question, that is classification of amino acid based on structure. So being in first year, for you need not write the structure, but you have to write in words. Okay, that is 5 marks, very important question. So let us see classification. So classification based on the structure, amino acids are classified into 7 groups. Aliphatic, okay, aliphatic amino acids. In that, then aromatic, hydroxyl, sulfur containing, charged, amide group containing, and amino acid. Okay, 7 groups you have to mention with the example. So aliphatic amino acid, there are 2 types again, unbranched and branched. Example for unbranched is glycine, okay, and alanine, they are unbranched. Okay, one is R group is in glycine is H. Okay, so in alanine CH3. R group in amino acid is variable group, you know. So alanine it is CH3. So unbranched is glycine and alanine. Branched aliphatic amino acids are valine, leucine and isoleucine. Can you remember leucine? It is a pure ketogenic amino acid. May have you written wrong in multiple choice question. So it is a pure ketogenic amino acid. Which one? Leucine. So unbranched is glycine and alanine. Branched is valine, leucine and isoleucine. Second is aromatic amino acid. Okay, aromatic amino acid. So aromatic is not clear, it seems here. So this is the second classification. Which one? Aromatic. So aromatic is phenylalanine. Aromatic means it contains benzene ring. Okay, C6H6 is benzene compound, aromatic compounds. So they mostly contain benzene ring. Phenylalanine contains benzene ring. Tyrosine contains hydroxy phenyl ring, and tryptophan contains indole ring. So phenylalanine, tyrosine and tryptophan are aromatic amino acid. Third one is hydroxy amino acid. Hydroxy amino acid. Hydroxy means they contain OH group. Okay, so serine, threonine, tyrosine also contain hydroxyl group. Serine and threonine, but tyrosine is aromatic amino acid, but it contains a hydroxyl group. So we can give example of this tyrosine also. Tyrosine also hydroxy amino acid. So fourth one is sulfur containing amino acid. Cysteine contains sulfhydryl group, SH group. Okay, cysteine contains sulfhydryl group. This methionine contains thioester as thioether group. So methionine contains thioether group and cysteine contains sulfhydryl group. Cysteine is derivative of cysteine. Okay, so there is no confusion. So we can mention cysteine and methionine as sulfur containing amino acid. It is also asked in one word answer, which of the following is sulfur containing amino acid? So methionine is sulfur containing, so which contains thioether group. Fifth one, classification based on the structure, is charged amino acid. So they are acidic or basic. Okay, acidic amino acids have carboxylic group. You know that amino acid are compounds containing COH group and NH2 group. They contains both acidic group and basic group. Basic group is NH2. So acidic amino acid have carboxylic group COOH in the R. They are negative charge. And basic amino acid have amino or imino group in the RH group. Or you know, carbohydrate this amino acid structure is the variable group, so they have positive charge. Okay, COO minus, you know that carboxyl minus and NH2 plus. So under charged amino acid comes acidic and basic. So next slide is continuation of this. Next two slides are continuation of this classification 5. Okay, acidic amino acid, aspartic acid and glutamic acid, and basic amino acid lysine contains amino group NH2, arginine contains guanidine group, histidine contains imidazole group. Okay, so acidic is aspartic acid and glutamic acid. Okay, and basic is lysine, arginine and histidine. Can you remember this arginine and histidine? They are semi-essential amino acid. Most of them written wrong in first sectional. So remember, arginine and histidine are semi-essential amino acids. So sixth group is amino acids with amide group. Amino acids with amide group CONH2. So that is not a little bit not so clear, it seems. Now it's okay. Amino acid with amide group CONH2. These are amides of the acidic amino acid. What are those acidic amino acid? Aspartic acid and glutamic acid. So they are amides of the acidic amino acid. So aspartic acid is asparagine and glutamine. So these are amino acid with amide group, CONH2 group. Last one is amino acid. Proline contains imino group. Okay, proline contain imino group, so it is amino acid. So there are seven classification of amino acid based on structure. Sometimes it is also called as side chain. 5 marks. 7 classes are there: aliphatic, aromatic, okay, hydroxy, sulfur containing charged amide. Aliphatic, non-branched, unbranched is glycine and alanine. Branched is valine, leucine and isoleucine. Aromatic, tryptophan, phenylalanine, tyrosine. Sulfur containing is cysteine and methionine. Hydroxy amino acids, serine, threonine and tyrosine. Sulfur containing cysteine and methionine. Charged amino acid, there are basic and acidic. Acidic is aspartic acid and glutamic acid. Basic amino acid is lysine, arginine and histidine. Amino acid with amide group CONH2. Amide group means CONH2. Asparagine and glutamine. And last one is amino acid is proline. Okay, which contains imino group. So it is amino acid. Okay, thank you.